Life is crazy, and sometimes we have to get away. From mountain hikes, to remote Minnesota lakes, to oceanside campfires, in this beauty we find restoration. But there's a frustrating challenge. Trying to find that perfect flat ground, assembling the tent, inflating a sleeping pad when we're already exhausted from a long day of hiking, and the sleep itself stinks. What if we could ditch the tent for something better? Introducing the Superior Hammock. A new standard of simplicity, performance, and comfort, this down-filled hammock is built to keep you cozy, whatever the terrain or weather. It's so ridiculously simple and fast that you could be set up and hanging before this video ends. The Superior Hammock will forever change how you camp. This journey began 4 years ago when I finally got fed up with my heavy tent, bulky sleeping bag, uncomfortable pad that I hated to blow up. Setup took forever, and I never woke up refreshed. I thought there had to be a better way to camp, so I started experimenting. First I tried sleeping in a store-bought hammock, but even with a warm sleeping bag in mild weather, I was cold with the insulation crushed underneath, the infamous cold butt syndrome. I added a sleeping pad, but it was tricky to get positioned and slid around a lot. Plus I still had cold shoulders. That's when I realized the perfect hammock should have down insulation built right in. I couldn't find anywhere to buy one, so I decided to make one. After sketching out some ideas, researching materials, raiding thrift stores for down jackets, and dozens of hours of sewing, finally the Superior Hammock was born. It was amazing. People started asking to buy my hammock or make them one. And then I knew I had to share this idea with the world. So I began putting together a talented team to make this idea a reality. After years of refinement, dozens of prototypes, and tons of field testing, we're ready to launch. We've set up a manufacturing shop right here in Minnesota to ensure the highest possible quality on every stitch. Using only the most cutting-edge, strong but soft, breathable fabrics, the 10-foot Superior Hammock weighs a feather-light 36 ounces, yet can support 400 pounds, boasting a huge comfort range of 30 to 75 degrees thanks to the optimized 3-layer baffle design, avoiding any cold spots. The outside layer is DWR treated for excellent water resistance. Handy snaps close up the hammock for extra warmth. Our gear is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee and a 10-year warranty. We've packed as much value as we possibly can, so for free we're including a bug net, a stuff sack that doubles as a reversible pillow, ridgeline, extra long tree-friendly suspension made from the world's toughest fiber, a specialized polyethylene literally stronger than steel, but so light it floats on water. To round out the complete Superior system, we're also offering an ultra-soft, down-filled hammock blanket featuring a unique foot pocket with double-layer insulation to keep your toes extra warm, and an awesome hammock rain shelter, 12 feet long, made of ultra-light waterproof nylon, featuring removable end panels for extra protection and privacy. The entire Superior system weighs under 6 pounds and fits in one stuff sack. It can literally be set up in 3 minutes with 3 simple steps.